I left them and they were playing. I come home and they are playing. Get him, Shaggy. Get that Zebu. Firefly totally unconcerned. She's as big as the dog. Hey, Zebu, is he wearing you out? Now you be careful, Shaggy. Go get him, Zebu. Go get her. Whole lot of fun going on. Zebu's not scared of Shaggy at all. You're not lifting your leg on her, are you, Zebu? What a silly dog. Shaggy, the Firefly says, I think I'll get up here. Watch from up here in case they forget who I am. That I'm the cat. Did that wear you out, Shaggy? I know. What are those two doing? What? Sun came out. Woo! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Be careful, guys. Shaggy says, I'll get you. I know. Gotta get out of the sun. Ooh. Oh, I'm always so scared they're gonna run into furniture. I don't think I will need to take them for a walk. Are you getting your exercise, Shaxter? Huh? Where'd she go? Where'd you go? I can't keep my gender straight when there's so many. What a break. Miss Fancy Pants.